welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And hopefully you guys are ready to get back into the markets this week. We do have a lot of information to go over. All right. Dow and the other indexes had a big week, big day last week. Recovered last week, but big day on Friday. Okay, so the Dow guys finish up 426 points for the day. NASDAQ was up. S&P was up and the Russell was down. And look here, VIX came down. All right, so that's great for the VIX. VIX is at 1524. So we have lower volatility in the VIX. That's very, very bullish. All right, for the VIX. Okay, so VIX looks good. We'll go through the indexes. We'll look at big picture also. All right, big picture also. On the S&P, guys, we are approaching resistance here. Now, we did have a pullback. All right, so we did have a pullback from the high on the S&P. All right. Hey, Peter, welcome, Peter. Welcome, welcome. All right, so a bit of a pullback on the S&P. So we're still holding here. All right. Peter, I know you've been definitely on trading gold. All right. So S&P, guys, we pull back from resistance here, and we're looking to a breakthrough on the S&P. So a bit choppy in here, but trend line is still intact on the S&P. Okay. All right. This is on the daily time frames. All right. On the Dow. And for our US 30 traders, hopefully you guys are in the trade on the 60-minute time frames. We'll take a look at that. All right, big move going on the 60-minute time frame. Dow, guys, on the daily time frame. All right, we are near all-time high. So on the Dow, what an amazing move, right? 44,000, guys, on the Dow. Who would have thought, right? 44,000 on the Dow. NASDAQ, and on the NAS 100, we are seeing early buy signals also. Okay, NASDAQ, guys, buy signal here, retraced from the high, from the all-time highs, but still holding firm. All right, so setting up nicely for that Christmas rally. Okay, the IWM. So the Russell, all right, now you guys know the Russell has been in a tight consolidation for a very long time. All right, finally broke out. Let's bring this in. So on the daily time frame, it'll be a lot clearer when we take a look at the weekly and the monthly time frame in a minute. All right, so here's the Russell right here, the IWM, very choppy, but got a nice breakout buy signal here, gapped up, right, break through that resistance, a bit of a pullback, but look here, guys, got a nice follow through. So that will help small caps in stock boss, okay? So very good recovery late last week, especially on Friday. We have more sectors, right, with buy-in. So we have more sectors here. So a little bit more than half. All right. So we need more buyers to come on in here. Okay. So not bad for the indexes. The futures. So the dollar index, we've been talking about the dollar index, guys, waiting for that breakout. We finally got that breakout at 105. All right, so 105 is right here, big resistance. Our buy signal came in right here at 102, big move. Okay, pulling back just a little bit down right now. Okay, so the dollar pairs, we'll take a look at our current dollar pairs. Okay, so they should, hopefully they're holding firm, but big move in the dollar index. So do not fight the move, guys. Do not fight the tape. Do not fight the trend. E-minis are up. So the Dow E-mini, all right. NASDAQ, S&P, all the E-minis are currently up. Okay. We'll come back to Forex in a minute. Let's go through a big picture. So this is important as we go into the fourth quarter, guys. As we go into, right, fourth quarter. So October, November, December, right? So we're finishing up November, December, all right? And hopefully we'll get some follow through in January. But for right now, guys, big picture, Dow weekly time frame, buy signal here, amazing price action, all green candles on the weekly time frame, holding firm. So market isn't crashing, guys. All right, on the Dow monthly buy signal here. All right, at right around 37,000 on the Dow, trading at 44,000. All right, big month this month, current month, guys, big month. All right, for the Dow. All right, S&P weekly time frame, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, weekly. See here, weekly time frame, every candle, week's worth of data there. And on the monthly, look at that, amazing move, higher highs, higher lows, continuing to move higher. Great move here. All right. These will help your large cap stocks. Okay. So Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro, right? And your Magnificent 7 stocks. But surprisingly, those Mag 7s are not pushing up, right? Like they should. All right. We'll go through those. The NASDAQ, guys, the NAS buy signal here. All right. Holding. All right, a bit choppy in here, but still holding all green candles on the weekly and on the monthly also. All right, buy signal here. All right, look at this. Good price action or every single candle here. Right, all green candles moving up, following almost perfect trend line here. Okay, the Russell, guys, we talked about the Russell. Big resistance here on the Russell, which goes back all the way to 2021. Big resistance here. Really struggled to break through. Finally broke through here. Big candle. Had a bit of a pullback, but recovered nicely, guys. Recovered nicely here. And we really need to see the Russell start moving for small caps in stock boss. But we're finally, so far, finally out of that resistance area. But we do have a high. So we have, I won't call this resistance here, just a high right here. Okay, right here. And here we are here. We'll need to break through that high to really get going here. Buy signal here. And we are breaking out now on the Russell. On the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame, same thing, guys. All right, so a lot of resistance here. Like I said, going back all the way to 2021. Big candle this month, big breakthrough. See here? All right, so a lot of times we want to sell at resistance. All right, so sometimes, yes, we can certainly do that. But a lot of the times, right, we want to see big buyers come in and break through that resistance. Okay, so Russell monthly time frame right here, big break of resistance. Again, that's really good for small caps, your smaller companies. Okay, the VIX, guys, on the monthly time frame, the VIX, look here, we have low volatility. 15 is really, really low. If we can get down into the 12, 13s, that would be even better. Okay. All right, so we're not at 20. 20 is all the way up here. We're at 15. Really, really good environment for equities. Okay, again, if we can get some red in here, come on back down closer to here, even better. Okay, but good environment right now for equities. Tesla, we've done some videos on Tesla, guys. We're looking for a breakout. That's a 30-minute time frame. Let's bring in the daily time frame here. All right, so Tesla, guys, we got a nice breakout or buy signal came in right around, what's that? Right around 262 or so on Tesla, trading at 353. Great trade here. All right, we have some near-term resistance here, right here. So we'll look to break through that resistance hopefully this week. So Tesla is doing good. All right, in the Mag 7. Microsoft, guys, nothing to do here. All right, so Microsoft is consolidating between a tight support and resistance here. No buy signal. Look at that. Very tight, guys. All right, nothing to do there. Okay, Apple. All right, same thing with Apple, guys. So it's surprising, though, that these Mag 7s, they're not breaking out, okay, in a big way. So Apple, guys, no buy signal, trading between support and resistance. We have a big resistance here. So look at that. All of that consolidation. No trade here, not on that daily time frame. going back all the way to what? July, August in here. Absolutely nothing here. That buy signal, most recent buy signal, bought here, had to close out here on the daily. Okay, Meta, Facebook, same thing here. All right, consolidating right here. So that is a concern. Wait for these MAG 7s to break out. We have strong resistance here. All right, but we are not breaking out on those MAG 7s across the board. Amazon, right, buy signal here did break resistance, but now, right, trade holding, really struggling to hold resistance. Remember, previous resistance becomes support. All right, so this week we need a bounce, okay? So we need a bounce with Amazon, and we do have a trend line here. Again, this is the daily time frame. All right, so let's clear this up here. All right, so let's bring it right about here. Let's bring that here. So we need buyers to come on in, all right? Trading right on that moving average here. So we have white candles, we need green candles to come on back and then hopefully test the high here. Okay, Google right here. Let's take a look here. In trouble, guys. Red candle here, 2 days of selling here. Okay, so that buy signal here, red candle. So we should be out, and look here, it's back within support and resistance. All right, ranging right now. That is a concern when we have several of these magnificent 7 stocks not breaking out. Okay. NVIDIA had been doing well. We were really hoping for a breakout, all right, above 150. All right, we have purpose support and resistance, so we know it's under pressure. It's overbought right now, okay? Our buy signal came in at 131. Not a bad trade so far, right? 140, 141, but we need to break through that resistance here. So we have a big resistance right here. We need to break through. It is holding the trend line, if you guys see here. Holding the trend line, price is being squeezed with a little triangle holding here. This week, we need to break through that and move higher. Earnings came out on NVIDIA, and surprisingly, right, we didn't get a big push higher, okay? All right. Bitcoin. Let's do this. On the daily time frame on Bitcoin, we have a buy signal. All right, that buy signal came in. Hold on. All right, so that buy signal here, let's remove this. We had long consolidation there. Look here. That's why we've got this here. Long consolidation right here between support and resistance. We were waiting for a buy signal. We got it. All right, so that buy signal came in, guys, on Bitcoin on the daily time frame at 65,000. Got a red candle, forced to get out. We called it back right about here on that break of resistance at 69,000. Now trading at 97. Just an amazing move in Bitcoin. All right, I've been getting some messages from you guys also that your other cryptocurrencies are doing well. All right, that's usually the case because Bitcoin will. The other cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin. All right, so good move, buy signal here, like I said. All right, we had to force to get out. Red candle here, got back in. All green candles gapped up here. Really looks good. No support and resistance lines on the daily time frame. So 97,000. We'll look for Bitcoin to move higher. Okay, no signs of any selling yet. On the weekly time frame, all right, so on the weekly time frame, we had a big resistance here. You guys know we've been watching this, so no surprise here. All right, big resistance here on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame right here, guys. Lots of resistance here, right? Sellers are waiting right here. All right, so what's that? How many weeks now? 3 weeks ago? This is the fourth week. Fourth week here. All right, 3 weeks ago, got a big push, right? Broke resistance, buy signal here, guys. So that's why we want to follow, pay attention to the support and resistance lines, okay? So right here, resistance, price got squeezed. We got a triangle right in here, big push, big breakout. All right, so we were expecting this move, buy signal here on the weekly time frame. All right, and we're moving higher here. On the weekly, came in at 74,000. Not that we would trade it on the weekly, but good trade going. 97,000. Now we don't have any resistance above, so that price action could go much higher. We don't have any support and resistance in play right now. Okay, so good trade with Bitcoin. The dollar index, okay, the dollar index, guys. All right, breaking on the big picture, weekly time frame, we are breaking through a big resistance on the dollar. Let's move this so it's not so confusing. Okay. All right. So good support here on the dollar. All right. And we do have big moves. All right. In Forex dominator on the daily time frame with the dollar pairs. Okay. All right. So consolidating here, right? Resistance is here, guys. Support is here. Buy signal here on the dollar. Weekly time frame. Buy signal here. We are moving higher. Pay attention to your dollar pairs. Pound yen, nothing, guys. All right. So I know it's pound yen. Yen pairs have been frustrating, but if you guys look here, we don't have anything, right? We were moving nicely right to the upside. And right now, white candles here, so we're consolidating a bit, okay? You might find some opportunities to the downside because the last 1, 2, 3, 4 candles have been moving lower, okay? So shorts, but just be careful. Shorting the yen pairs right now, right? We can see buyers come on back in, okay? So let's do this here. All right. Anything can happen here, guys. Anything can happen here. So just be flexible with the yen pairs for now. Okay. All right. Okay. On the monthly time frame, all right. Monthly time frame pound yen. Hold on. GBP. I've been playing around with these. All right, monthly time frame, pound yen at a big resistance level here. All right, and then just remember this on the monthly time frame. The other yen pairs will follow pound yen. All right, so we're at big support levels here, monthly time frame. Every candle is a month worth of data here. So big resistance up here. Right, support here. And currently, guys, we're just holding at that resistance level there. It'll be nice to break through there. The yen, Japanese yen, holding a big support here. All right, that works in the inverse of the yen pair. Bonds holding a big support here. And gold. Gold hasn't been pulling back. Let's see how it's doing now. All right, so gold has been pulling back, guys. Recaptured. Let's see here. All right, so pulling back, held the moving average. It's on the weekly time frame. Okay, and gold has been doing extremely well. Here's your trend line. Here's your moving average. Came down, held support, big support here. Again, this is on the weekly, right? So came all the way down, and last week just got a nice bounce, and currently it's up, and we have resistance here. Now, if we can break this resistance, not really, well, let's call this a high right here, not really resistance, a high right there. That's 27 and change, 27. Let's call it 28. All right, let's bring that all the way up here around 28. If we can break through, we could see gold move much higher. Okay, 3,000 gold could certainly get traders to jump in. Okay, you would think that they might get out, but boy, we have a big trend going here on the weekly time. On the monthly, let's see, monthly time frame. Look at this, guys. Okay, monthly time frame. Look at this buy signal here at 23,000 here, 2,300 rather. Buy signal here, and we're looking to break out on the monthly. Look at this every single month, guys. And current month was really good because we needed to hold, so we came all the way down here, trading at the top here. That's really, really good for gold. Okay, so weekly time frame, monthly time frame right here looks good. and then your weekly time frame is right here. Okay, silver, all right, silver got a bounce. So we have a lot of sellers that are sitting right here on silver, and silver will generally lag with gold. Okay, all right, so nice recovery here, pull back, all right, to the moving average, white candle here, and we've got a green candle. That's usually very bullish, all right? So whenever we get these white candles, these neutral candles here, like here, followed by green candles, guys, that's very, very bullish, okay? We do have purple and support right here, so we know we overbought, right? We overbought, but that doesn't mean we can't continue to move higher here on silver, okay? All right, lots of information here. All right, but that's what we've got to do, especially on Sundays. Forex. All right, so Forex, guys, we have a lot of good volatility. All right, not so much direction. So we don't have very good direction in Forex, but we do have good volatility. Okay, so Forex on the daily time frame, guys, we have decent volatility here. All right, all these yellow symbols here, that's good. On the daily, on the 240, good volatility. So we have movement. On the 60-minute, we've got good volatility also, okay? Very mixed. We talked about the yen pairs, guys. Very, very mixed, okay? So we've got buyers and sellers in here. On the 60, on the 240, look at the daily here. So we don't have a lot of direction. So be careful. I'm not saying you can't trade the yen pairs. Just be careful. All right, you guys will notice what we're really trading right now are the dollar pairs, okay? Long the dollar pairs. So just be careful. Same thing with the Aussie and Kiwi pairs, all right? Mixed on the daily. When they're mixed on the daily like this, right? They're up and down like this, that's not good, especially on the daily. So Kiwi pairs, daily, mixed. Right here, Aussie pairs mixed. All right, so on the 240, right here, and on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, we're seeing buying coming here in the Aussie pairs. We'd like that to follow through, hopefully. Okay, same thing with the yen pairs, just very mixed. So be careful, no direction here. On the dollar pairs right here on the daily time frame, we've got solid buying here. Okay, currently down, but overall trend is up, and we need more buying. Couple of down here, but we need this to fill in, and then just wait on the 60-minute. So just mixed right now. Okay, euro pairs continue to be mixed. Okay, euro pairs are mixed. All right, so if you're gonna trade the euro pairs, just know you're not getting overall follow through direction. So trade them, but trade them independently. All right. The pound pairs, we're seeing selling come into the pound pairs. We might look for opportunities in to go short. We haven't gone short in quite a while, so we'll see if we can find some short opportunities there this evening. The sectors, all right. Always have to remember to to take a look at the sectors. So let's take a quick look here. Communication services, guys, the #1 sector. Now, we don't have a lot of stocks that come out of services, all right, but let's take a quick look here. Hold on. I just want to see quickly here. Stock Boss services, that's the #1 sector right now. So communication services, look at Stock Boss. So guys, Stock Boss, we've got 111 stocks in Stock Boss, and that's certainly the IWM, the Russell is certainly helping with that. All right, so we have services here. All right, so we are seeing lots of services here. Technology here. All right, if we have time, we might take a look at opportunities in Stock Boss, okay? Bull Master, let's see here. Let's run it, Bull Master. All right, 200, guys, 243. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. All right, so 243 stocks, guys, in heat seeker. That's a lot. We haven't seen that for a long time. Healthcare, 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 services here, services. All right, and technology. All right, so what time is it? Okay, so we'll see if we can go through some of these, find some opportunities. And then Bullmaster Pro. All right, look at that. Lots of buying on Friday, all green in Bullmaster Pro. So equity markets setting up nicely for the Christmas rally. All right, that's a lot of stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster coming out of Heat Seeker here. Okay, all right. All right, so the number one sector, guys, is services. Let's see here. Energy is making a move, finally. Energy is making a move, all right? Breaking out here. Financials, buy signal here, breaking out nicely in financials. Industrials, all right? Buy signal here, we are breaking out. Tech, all right? Tech, buy signal here, we just hold in resistance here, all right? Hold in resistance here. If one wants to invest in the S&P. All right. So the S&P, if you're looking for stocks, the best way is to look for the large cap stocks. Okay. We'll go through. We'll look at some stocks in Bullmaster this evening. Okay. So that'll give you some opportunities there. All right. Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro, specifically Bullmaster, will have stocks in the S&P and the NASDAQ. Stock Boss is more the IWM, the Russell small caps. Okay. All right. Utilities, guys. We're looking for a breakout here. But we normally don't have a lot of stocks in utilities. Let's see, communications services. What else? And then telecom. But definitely services, financials, and looking for tech to break out. Okay. All right. Current positions. Let's go through these. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Let's go through these quickly. I would like to get through some of these stocks. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so dollar CAD. Oh my gosh. So dollar CAD. All right, guys. Buy signal was here on a break of this resistance. Right, we were looking for, all right, markdown, right, buy signal, get into, right, that markup phase, but it failed. All right, so gap down. Okay, gap down this evening. Broke support. Support is right here. Sell signal. So we should be out. I would be careful shorting the dollar pairs. Okay. So I would just be careful. We could see where, right, it holds here and all of a sudden buyers are coming back in. So dollar CAD, we'll close it for now. All right. But be careful shorting it. USD MXN. All right, these markets will love to do that, right? Will open down when the market opens and then buyers will come on back in. Remember, the overall trend is up in the dollar index, all right, and these dollar pairs. So USD MXN buy signal was here, all right? Red candle broke support right here. Previous resistance becomes support. Sell signal, close the trade, please. USD MXN. USD DKK. All right, buy signal here on the break of resistance right here. This trade was going really well, guys. All right, on the 60-minute time frame, gap down. All right, close the trade, please. Okay. All right, be careful going short. We could see where, see here, notice that, all right, very choppy, but it still keeps moving higher. So you could wait. If you close, just wait for the next buy signal. Okay, USD DKK. USD NOK, all right, buy signal here, all right, very choppy, broke support, red candles, gap down, nothing you can do there, close the trade. USD NOK, So the dollar pairs are closing on the 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right. USD buy signal here. USD CZK buy signal was a break of this resistance. Gap down this evening. Sell signal. Close the trade, please. Okay. USD CZK and USD PLN. USD PLN buy signal here. All right. The signal is still holding, but we've got red candles. Gap down. Red candles. Close the trade, please. Okay, so buy signal here, red candles, close the trade. All right, so clean things up. Aussie, New Zealand. All right, that's holding firm on the 60-minute time frame. Not a bad trade going here. So buy signal here on the 60-minute time frame, moving up nicely. Purple support and resistance. But look here, all green candles. If we bring in a trend line, good trade here. All right, it is doing its own thing. So Aussie, New Zealand, all right, buy signal here, moving up nicely there. Aussie, Swiss, buy signal here, forced to get out, red candles, we got back in, holding firm right here, okay? All right, so that's it on the 60-minute time frame. On the 240, and we've got dollar pairs here on the 240. Let's take a look. They should hold much better on the 240. Let's take a look. In Monster Scalper. All right, so dollar pairs long. Notice that's all we've got here, guys. Dollar pairs long, okay? All right, so USD HKD buy signal here, right? We have near-term resistance right in here. All right, we need to break through and keep moving higher. Target is all the way up here, okay? USD HKD, USD CNH, all right, buy signal here. All right, trading well too. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, sold here. Right, we're looking for another breakout. It gapped down this evening, but still holding. So we need buyers to come on back in, break through resistance. We are high in the markup phase though, guys. Okay, so purple support and resistance, keep an eye on it. USD CNH. All right, dollar Swiss. All right, several good trades here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. All right, we're looking for another trade on a break of resistance right here. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback still holding here. Dollar Swiss, USD DKK, same thing here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Made a big move higher. Just retracing right now, but still holding all green candles. USD DKK. All right, you've got to give on the 240, guys. We got to give it time. All right, be patient with these trades. USD CZK buy signal here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here on the break of this resistance. Nice break. A bit of a pullback. All right, but still holding firm here. USD CZK. USD HUF. Did I call this one? Same thing here. USD HUF buy signal here. Holding. USD PLN. All right, same thing here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Okay, don't be afraid of this pullback, guys. You will get this pullback. The only thing, it needs to hold previous resistance becomes support. So it needs to hold this level right here. All right, hopefully we get a bounce and keep moving higher there. Okay, so nothing to change on the 240. In the dollar pairs. Right now, that's the best trade we've got going here in the dollar pairs. On the 240, hopefully, if you guys look here, hopefully, dollar pairs here, hopefully we can see buyers come back in on the 60-minute time frame here, okay? All right, otherwise, all right, daily and 240 looks good. All right, Forex Dominator. Finally, we've got some opportunities in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. And again, the dollar pairs. All right, USD CNH. Okay, so buy signal here, good markdown phase, guys. Buy signal here, and holding resistance is right here. All right, strong resistance here. So as it gets near that resistance, we look for a breakout. Okay, I know most of our traders will not trade on that daily time frame. Okay, it's a long time hold to hold, but you can follow these. Price action still works the same. USD CNH, and if you can certainly park some capital and let it run. Okay, USD CNH, USD SGD, good markdown phase. Buy signal here for a lot of pips, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, keep an eye on it as it gets to sellers right here. Resistance. Keep an eye on it. Dollar CAD, all right, dollar CAD, buy signal here, all right, holding, a bit of a pullback. Dollar Swiss, good markdown phase, markdown accumulation, good support down here, all right, good support right down here, okay. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here, okay. Target, first target is here. If we can get through resistance here, next target, wouldn't that be great? Next target would be all the way up here, dollar Swiss. Okay, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Great trades here, the dollar pairs. Dollar ZAR, all right, markdown phase, very choppy in here. All right, but holding here. Buy signal here, holding, needs to move higher, dollar ZAR. USD DKK, great trade going here, guys. Good markdown phase here. Let's remove this. All right, broke through first resistance levels right here. Notice here, and got through second resistance levels. Right, resistance is here, broke through that. Looks really, really good. Okay, purple support and resistance, but big trade going here. Buy signal here, right here. Good trade going. USD DKK. All right, USD NOK, buy signal here, trading right at resistance here. Struggling. Okay, we have a white candle here. We need buyers to come on back. All right, if you're trading this is one to really pay attention to, because we know we have a lot of sellers sitting here, 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 and here. Okay, and they love knocking that price back down all the way to support. Keep an eye on it. But again, the strength of the dollar is moving higher. Dollar's at 107, guys. Okay, hopefully we can break through. USD NOK, USD SEK. All right, same thing. Buy signal here, and we're getting past resistance here and right here. All right, so good trade going here. We need to break through, get out of that range here. Big range, all right, but still a range. We need to break through there. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, good trade going here. All right, USD PLN, the last one here for dollar pairs. Buy signal here. Here's your markdown. Buy signal moving up nicely. All right, big target, guys. This is a big target all the way up here. All right, all the way up here. Next area of resistance right here. Okay, USD PLN, and it is trading nicely. Okay, all right. Yen pairs, we've got 3 yen pairs. Let's take a look. TRY, JPY. All right, good markdown phase. Buy signal here. We just need buyers to hold. They're holding, but we need them to break through resistance right here. Okay, so green candles, holding firm. We need to break through. Okay, let's get through these. Oh my gosh. All right, USD, JPY, dollar yen, buy signal here, holding firm. Good markdown phase on dollar yen, and the dollar index will help the dollar yen. Okay, but we need buyers to come on back. All right, move higher, break through near-term resistance here, and then break through resistance here. USD, HKD. All right, so markdown phase, good markdown phase, buy signal. We are moving up nicely here. So we do have some yen pairs that are cooperating, doing well on the daily time frame. Okay. Equities, we'll take a look at equities, the current positions. We'll do that tomorrow. I do want to go through some opportunities for our stock boss traders and bull master traders for in the morning. Okay. All right. All right. So stock boss traders, bull master traders. Let's find some opportunities. Let's see here. We might go a bit over. Okay. So stock boss. How much did we have? 110 stocks in stock boss, guys. That's a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go through these. What we're looking for. Remember, these are small caps, so the Russell looks good. The IWM. So we're looking for buy signals on the daily. So here's your daily time frame here. We need buyers on the weekly. If we can get buyers on the monthly, that will be great also. Okay. So we'll go through these quickly here. And we'll look to add. To current positions. Let's see here. So we'll look to add to current positions here. It's Stock Boss and Bull Master this evening. We have a lot in Bull Master. We'll look to add more. All right. But we have a lot. All right. So 200 and was that 243 is a lot. So we'll go through these, not through all of them, but let's see how far we can get. Okay. All right. So Stock Boss, let's go through these. These are capital goods. That's gone. All right. OIS in Stock Boss, so Stock Boss. All right. OIS, we have buyers on the daily time frame here. All right, if you guys want to move that down, you can do it on your own to a 60-minute, 30-minute time frame. You can certainly do that on your own. All right, but we'll look at only the daily here. I know this is what? This is energy here. So buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 523.24 rather. Those of you who trade options, you can certainly trade options. I would do it on Bull Master stocks though, not these inexpensive stocks here. So OIS, buy signal here. All right, buyers are coming in on the weekly time frame here. We can see that green candles here. So OIS in Stock Boss. Okay, OIS. All right. FFWM. That's energy. I'm sorry, financials. We have another financial. SLQT. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. Small caps are moving. VUZI. All right. So we're looking for that Christmas rally, guys. That's gone. And before we leave, we'll take a quick look at the US 30, just an amazing trade on the US 30, NAS, and S&P. ZVRA, all right. Buyers on the daily, weekly, and monthly. That's gone. Talk. I think we're in talk. That's setting up good, nicely there. ESPR. All right, DOUG. Weekly looks good, guys. Buy signal here, nice breakout. And look at the weekly here. Look at the weekly. The weekly fell from 1097. Remember, these are small caps. All right, nice break on the weekly at 251. Great setup here on the weekly. All right, but buy signal here, great buy signal on the daily. DOUG. SFIX. Small caps are moving. GBTG. That's gone. Good setup here on the daily, guys. CHGG. We need buyers on the weekly, though. But good setup there. That's gone. All right. BZFD. Now, these are services. And we know that's the #1 sector right now. UNIT. What time is it? Okay. There's a few more in stock, boss. We'll take a look at Bullmaster. All right. BARK. I think we've traded this before. All right. Buy signal came in on Friday, guys. Look at your weekly here. All right. Look at that weekly. All right. That stock fell from $18. All right. Look at that. Good markdown phase, good accumulation. Buy signal $1.77. No guarantees these stocks will make it all the way back up here, right? But guess what? So good setup, good support here. So you're going to minimize your risk with support right here at 110 with good potential upside, good risk reward there. Okay. And those of you who trade stock, boss, that's a great setup there. And on the monthly here, look at the monthly. All right. All right. All right. Buy signal right here. BARK. All right. So we got about halfway. Still a long ways to go. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. Okay. All right. So Bullmaster. Let's go see if we can find some opportunities here. So that quick, guys, we have what, 2, 4, 6, 8, almost 20 stocks in stock, boss. Amazing. All right. So Bullmaster. So large caps. That's going to be your S&P, NASDAQ stocks, okay? Hold on. Most of these will be reaccumulation trades, okay? So they're not coming out of the markdown phase where they're sold off. These are reaccumulations, so they're following the overall trend, okay? So we're just jumping on, all right? Reaccumulation, the trend has been established already, okay? All right, so right off the bat, CRS, buy signal here. Now, those of you who trade options, guys, those might not be a bad opportunity to trade options. Okay, Peter, I know Peter is on here. All right, so trade options, that might work for you guys. So CRS, buy signal here. Look at that, good price action. Weekly looks good. Look at that monthly time frame. So CRS. All right. Let's keep going here. All right, that's gone. Look, pay attention to the price action, guys, how the price is really holding. All right. All right, buy SW, we have buyers, buy signal on daily, weekly, and the monthly, guys. Buy signal on the daily here, weekly here, and the monthly. Amazing here. So SW. All right. All right. Z, that's gone a bit, but still looks good. Symbol Z. BYRN. ZG. It's gone. All right. AZEK. Buyers on the buy signal daily, weekly, and monthly, guys. That's gone. All right. Notice how the price action, guys. They're moving large caps. Look at that. That's gone. All right. MOD. 243 is a lot in Bullmaster. That's a lot. RH, buy signal right here, guys, came in on Friday. Okay. Still consolidating, but breaking out. RH. DECK. ON. I thought we were in this one. USFD. Look at your trend. Buy signal here on the daily. Look at your weekly. Here is your monthly. Makes it so much easier. That's gone. That's gone. AROC. Buyers, guys. Buy signal here. It's gone a bit. Okay. 3 points. Not too bad. But boy, big buy signal on the weekly time frame right here. Buy signal on the monthly. Look at that price action there. All right. All right. C and X. Just so many. FTI. Totally different market than when we're bearish or things are just holding, right? OLL. PR. These are energies, guys. Energies definitely trying to make a move. I don't know what price crude is at. 68, 69. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. FOUR, and we'll send those out to Stock Boss, our Stock Boss and Bullmaster traders after we're done. It's gone. Financials, those are gone. AX, big buyers on the monthly, guys, and the weekly there. That's gone. Gone. All right, good setup here. ACIW. All right, buy signal here, guys. Look at the previous trade. Look at the weekly. Look at the monthly, okay? ACIW. All right, we're doing good on time. All right, PX. Now with the market, guys, the way it is, right? Very bullish, right? These are reaccumulation trades, right? We have big buys on the weekly. It's gone a bit, right? So the buy signal was at 11. It's at 13. Okay, we can take a chance on those. Okay, given the environment, we don't want to go too far off the buy signal. Okay. SLM, buyers on the weekly, buy signal here. Look at this, all right? Here on the monthly, on the daily. So SLM, just a lot of stocks. This is not unusual when we have the market has buy signals. Remember, we have buy signals, guys, on the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and the Russell. Okay. On the daily time frame, those trades can stay for months at a time. All right. Hey, Antonio, welcome. So so on the daily time frame, expect to hold. If everything holds, they continue their trend. Several weeks. All right. If we're lucky, right, a few months. The 240 maximum on the 240, if you're lucky, a good trade, 30 days. Okay, so 3 weeks if you're lucky, or they can close right within a day, couple of days. Okay, 30-minute time frame. You talk 30 days. Yes, you're right. Yes. So 240 about 30 days. Yes. Daily time frame. So those are more position trading on your daily time frame. So you're looking for a bigger move. All right. Let's see. Where was I? Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. These are healthcare stocks. So healthcare here. I would be careful with healthcare. Let's see here. Let's take a quick look at the healthcare sector here. So healthcare and biotech. Healthcare is all the way down here, guys. Okay. So healthcare, this is healthcare here. See what it's doing here? All right. And then biotech. Biotech is here. See what it's doing? Okay. So we'll go through this. It would have to be perfect. Okay. So we just went through financials. Let's do this. Let's skip healthcare. Let's go to technology. So let's do services and then technology. All right, FTAI in Bullmaster. All right, you can kind of pick and choose. Netflix, look at Netflix, guys. Great trade going there. BJ. Missed it here. That's gone. That's gone. Look at that. In Bull Master, this stage in the trade, guys, we're not looking for breakouts. We're looking for continuation, okay? At this point, these breakouts here are coming out of the markdown phase. Those can be risky right now. They should be in a more mature stage, really in the trend. These here, right, in Bull Master, we don't want these right now, okay? Now in Stock Boss, that's okay because we know, right, that's a new rotation coming into, right, small caps. But these large cap stocks, they should be well into their trend, okay? Technology stocks here. And all we want to do is just get on for the ride. That's gone here. So if you look at the 4 market phases, reaccumulation, that's what we want. Reaccumulation trades here. Those are gone. All these are gone. So tech's moving really well, guys. That's gone too far there. All right, good trade going here. It's gone too far. Is that GoDaddy? Yeah. All right, that's gone. Come on. That's gone. That's gone. Yeah, this coming out of that markdown phase. Be careful with those. All right, that's gone. Dell 118, 144, that's gone. That's gone. Some of these we're already in. That's gone. That's gone. All right. CDNS, expensive, but could be good for options. It's gone. Guys, these are moving. It's gone. These are all tech. All right, U is setting up nicely here. It's out of the markdown phase. We have a buy signal here. That's still tricky for what we're looking to do here with Bullmaster here, but we got a buy signal here looking to break out. Yes, Antonio, these are longs, yes. On the daily time frames. All right, these are moving. Good trade here. Surprisingly, with tech performing like this, guys, surprisingly, the Mag 7s, they're not moving along with tech. All right, IoT in Bullmaster. All right, nice reaccumulation trade there. Look at that trade there. All right. VST. All right. All right. All right. These are utilities. We did send out some utilities last time. Quick look at Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Okay, so let's see here. Pelantar, PLTR. Let's see here. Let me move this. No, hold on. Oh, you guys, you haven't been seeing my screen. Oh, hold on. You guys haven't been seeing my screen here? Okay. Okay, you guys haven't been seeing my screen? Sorry about that, guys. All right, you got to let me know early. All right, so Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals here. Okay. All right. So Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Let's go through a few of these here. We're gonna bring this over here. All right. Sorry about that, guys. On the daily time frame, and let's take a look at the weekly time frame. We'll bring these on the. We'll bring these here. All right. So weekly, we're gonna focus on two areas. Daily and weekly. All right, so let's move this. So here's your weekly and your daily here. Okay. Otherwise, you guys won't be able to see here. Okay. All right. So we're going to look for Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. So relative strength and new highs. Okay. Those are your best opportunities in Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Okay. All right. So that's gone. That's gone. All right. So Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. All right. So CVLT. Those are going to be your large caps, guys. Look here, weekly time frame. Look at that. Amazing trend, guys. Buy signal on the weekly came in at 79. All right. New buy signal came in on the daily right here. All right. All right. So CVLT. All right. Let's keep going here. All right. HWM. At least you guys have the symbols. I do apologize that you guys didn't get to see the charts, because that's how you learn, by seeing the charts. Sorry about that. Okay. Let me know quickly next time. HWM. All right. Buy signal here. Good price action. Look at the weekly here. Look at the weekly, guys. Nice trend. Okay. And these are reaccumulation trades. All right. That's gone. All right. Another one, ERJ in Bullmaster Pro. Buy signal here. Here is the weekly. So all we're doing is we getting on the trend. Reaccumulation there. Okay. All right. I think that's it for new highs at relative strength. No, these are just new highs. Okay, these are just new highs. All right, SLM, nice breakout here. Look at that, guys, on the daily and on the weekly there. And these stocks have fundamentals. Okay, so not just technical analysis, good fundamentals along with that. Okay. All right. MLR. And look at that. Good trade there. All right. Do we have CL? I think we've got CVLT already in Bullmaster. Last one. ITRI. Okay. Buy signal here on the weekly. Good price action. Right. Buy signal here. Nice pullback. It's moving up nicely here. Okay. All right. Last area, guys, US 30. On the US 30, our US 30 traders, okay? We have a great trade going here. Hopefully you guys caught this trade here, all right? No, we didn't send out the alert on the 60-minute, okay? So hopefully you guys caught it, our US 30 traders, okay? So nice markdown phase. Buy signal here was on the 60. Here is our daily time frame on the US 30, guys. Buy signal here, purple support and resistance, all right? But no pullback. It's not pulling back. It's just holding. Great trade here on the 30-minute. I know most of you traded on the smaller time frame, the 5-minute time frame. We have no data coming out tomorrow in the U.S. session. We do have data coming out on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so no data coming out tomorrow. All right, remember this is a holiday week, so that we might have soft volume, soft volatility this week. So keep an eye on that. But good trade going here, guys. On the US 30, buy signal here. Broke through that resistance convincingly in a big way. Gapped up. We love to see that. And it's holding firm right now. The NAS 100 has a new buy signal. Okay, so our NAS 100 traders, we're going to call this signal here. NAS, on the NAS 100, again, no data. Okay, long on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so here's your markdown. Buy signal, we're breaking resistance. Buy signal here, and on the daily time frame, we look good. We do have purple support and resistance right here. So we overbought, but we can certainly move higher and break resistance right here. Okay, and we've got good price action on the US 30, that might help also. So buy signal here, guys. Our blue arrow right here, green candles, and we're getting past resistance right here. All right, you guys can see this, okay? Let me know if you don't see my chart. All right, so buy signal here, moving up nicely. The E-mini, NAS 100. And then we have the S&P, right? So the S&P 500 E-mini, all right? All right, SP 500, buy signal was right here. All right, and a bit choppy, but we're moving up nicely. Resistance is right here. And the goal is for the NAS 100, S&P, so the NAS 100 here, S&P here, to follow, all right, the US 30 here and break through. Okay, I know it's a lot of information, guys. We've gone through quite a bit. Okay, the last time we went this long was when equities really got moving again. This time last year. Okay, so this is the Christmas rally. We are deep in the rally. All right. So we've got another little over a month now, all right, to go. And what we're looking for, all right, and even if you guys don't trade, I know we have new traders that come in. Even if you're not trading, all right, it's a good to learn this so that, hey, right, you're aware of the seasonality, what's going on. Okay, so we have buy signals. I'll just finish up with this. Just remember, we have a buy signal on the Dow. All right, we're moving up nicely on the Dow. So buy signal on the Dow. These stocks, all the stocks we went through, we follow these indexes. So the Dow index, all right, the S&P, that was the S&P, the Dow. All right, here's the Dow. We're breaking resistance here on the Dow. That will help stocks. All right, so we're breaking resistance here on the Dow. Anything can change in the future, but right now we've got to follow the price action. Here on the NASDAQ, here we are. So your tech stocks, right? Buy signal here on the NASDAQ. We're looking to break through a resistance. Buyers are in control here, okay? And on the Russell, the IWM, small caps, right? Cheaper stocks coming out of stock bust. Look at the IWM, the Russell. So they're definitely buying. These big institutions, they're buying stocks. And guess what? Our volatility is down, right? So we don't have a lot of volatility in stocks right now. 15, that's very, very low on the VIX. So this is why stocks are moving, right? We still need more sectors to come in, but that's fine, okay? So find your spots, find your opportunities. As far as Forex, the dollar pairs, guys, the dollar pairs, be cautious with the yen pairs for right now. We need better direction with the yen pairs, okay? Equities, right? We've been sending out a lot of shorts, especially with Tesla. If you see Tesla, right, pay attention to Tesla. Even if you don't trade it, just watch how we trade it. Okay. All right, guys. I know lots of information. Sorry for keeping you guys so long. I'll see you guys on Tuesday.